A closer look to 1. Listen again to part of the conversation from getting started. Pay attention to the conditional sentences. Type 1.
Unit 11, page 51. A closer look to Activity 1. Listen again to part of the conversation from getting started. Pay attention to the conditional sentences. Type 1.
Yes, I do. It's better than a plastic one because it's made of natural materials. If we all use this kind of bag, we'll help the environment.
I see. I'll buy a bag for my mum. Where can I buy it?
They sell a lot of these bags at the checkout.
Thanks. Are they expensive?
Not at all. By the way, you're also green. You're cycling.
You're right. If more people cycle, there will be less air pollution, right?